In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check the dimensions of an image in Google Docs. This is a handy skill for anyone working with documents where the precise size of images may be crucial, such as in presentations, reports, or any kind of printed material. So, let's dive right in. First, open the Google Docs document that contains the image for which you need to find the dimensions. This is your starting point. If you're not already signed into your Google account, make sure to do so and navigate to your Google Docs. Once your document is open, scroll to the section or page where your image is located. Now, with the image in view, go ahead and right-click on the image itself. This action will pull up a context menu, offering a variety of options related to editing and formatting your image. From this menu, you'll want to look for and select the option labeled Image Options. This will lead us closer to finding what we need. For those who prefer an alternative method, you can also click directly on the image to select it. When you do this, you'll see a small set of vertical dots appear as an icon at the top right corner of the image. Click on these dots to reveal a drop-down menu, and from there, select Image Options. Both methods are equally effective, so feel free to choose the one that you're most comfortable with. After you've accessed the image options, a sidebar will appear on the right side of your screen. This sidebar provides various customization features and tools. Look for the section labeled Size and Rotation within this panel. If it's collapsed, simply click on it to expand the options and reveal more details. Now, here comes the moment you've been waiting for. Under Size and Rotation, you'll see the current width and height of your image. These dimensions are conveniently displayed in inches, providing you with the exact measurements you need. It's as straightforward as that. Take a moment to double-check the dimensions, ensuring they meet your specific requirements. If necessary, you can adjust the size directly from this panel, making it a flexible tool for quick modifications on the fly. And that's how you can easily find out the dimensions of an image in Google Docs. By using these simple steps, you can ensure your images are the perfect size for your document or project needs. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it makes working with images in Google Docs a bit easier. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tips and tutorials.